Hi everybody, welcome to English in Bambara with your coach David. Let's learn how to use I need. Abela jelen chanya kuma adanse English in Bambara ka. Ni video kono amena I need de utiliser choko kala. I need koroti do waraye ne magube. I need ne magube. Wala I need plus verb. Anga ni misalo laje. I need to travel abroad. I need to travel abroad. Ne magube ka voyager kata koka. I need to go on vacation. I need to go on vacation. Ne magube kata congela. I need to cook a good food. I need to cook a good food. Ne magube ka dumini duma tobi. I need to buy a nice bag. I need to buy a nice bag. Ne magube ka saki chenmansa. I need to buy an apple and eat. I need to buy an apple and eat. Ne magube ka pomsa ani kadu. I need to converse with someone. I need to converse with someone. Ne magube ka boroke ni mogodoy. Wala ni yoro ina amena I need plus now. Do I need kasoro ka togoro daka. Anga ni misale nurun laje. I need a new motorbike. I need a new motorbike. Ne magube motokurala. I need an orange juice to drink. I need an orange juice to drink. Ne magube ji orange la kami. I need a solid hammer to work. I need a solid hammer to work. Ne magube marto grimana barake. I need someone to help me. I need someone to help me. Ne magube mogodola kandeme. I need the director of the school to talk with him. I need the director of the school to talk with him. Ne magube egolso director la kakumani aye. I need a good earphone to listen to music. I need a good earphone to listen to music. Ne magube écouter numana ka music lame. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you to the next one. Ani cheni video inflele koson ana kambe video wala kono.